Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Keurig K Compact single-serve coffee maker. This will be a full tutorial, but also a relatively easy and simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into the video. The first thing that you want to do is plug in the coffee machine. I've plugged it in over there, and then you want to make sure that there's enough water in the water tank reservoir to make your cup of coffee. In this case, there's more than enough water to make the cup of coffee in the size that I desire to make for this video. Once you've done that, you're going to push this button to turn it on, okay? So you can push this button to turn it on, and then what happens now is we have access to these three buttons. But first, we need a mug, and we need a Keurig K cup. Now, Keurig K cups come in various flavors and stuff. What I have here for this video is the Van Hout Colombian Medium, okay? So what we're gonna do is open this up, okay? So I'm gonna open this up right here. So you saw what I did there, just so it's clear. I lifted with the lever like that, and then I pulled up to open it up. Then you're gonna take your K cup, and it only goes in one direction, so make sure you put it in like that. Okay, once again, take your K cup, put it in like that. You can see this part goes on top right here. Then take your lever, bring it down, and push nice and firmly, and that pierces through the coffee pod. Get your mug, and you're going to place your mug underneath there, and you are going to then get ready for a cup of coffee, okay? I'm probably going to rinse this. There was coffee in here before. I rinsed it quickly, but I'm just going to give it another rinse just to really clean it out. All right, there we go. So we're going to turn that off. Put your mug in position once again, and then you have the ability to choose between any of these cup sizes, okay? So very simple. You could choose large, medium, or small. I'm going to choose medium just for the sake of this video to make it nice and quick. Now, on another note, as this is brewing, I will explain that when the machine is not in use, that's when you want to fill up the water. So like right now, when it's in use, I wouldn't fill up the water. I wouldn't touch any of the buttons. And you want to make sure the machine's not in use when you're gonna like be doing something like filling up the water or doing anything at all for that matter. So once this is done brewing, I'll show you the process for filling up the water tank reservoir, okay? So it's almost done. I'm just gonna give it a quick moment. And how you can tell when it's done is you can see the light is still illuminated. So that means that it's still working right now. It's still brewing the coffee. You don't want to do anything until it's completely finished. Just because you think it's finished doesn't mean it's actually finished. Okay, now the light is off, so now it's finished. And as you can see, we made a delicious cup of coffee. I'm going to place it just to the side over here. I'll deal with that later. Now, for the water tank reservoir, as you can see, I'm running low on water, so I'm going to show you how to fill it up, okay? Relatively easy. So what you're going to do is very simple. Let me just adjust my camera angle. You can actually lift it out of place. So you can grab your water tank, lift it out of place. I'm going to put it to the side here, okay? What you can do is then bring it to your tap or your faucet, lift the lid off, you can fill it up, okay? So the lid comes off and you can fill it up. There is a maximum fill line. You don't want to go over the fill line, okay? Then you can put your lid back on, all right? And then you can put it back into position, okay? So I think I can probably get it back into position with one hand. It's easier to put back in with one hand than it is to remove. I'm going to see if I can. So yeah, you're going to put it back into position. Nope, didn't get it. There we go. Okay, so it sort of slides in and has to be flush with the machine when you slide it down. You can see there's the max fill line. I didn't fill it to the max, but I came pretty close. And what it's doing now is the machine is heating itself up. That's why you can probably hear, if you listen, that's what you're hearing. So that's it. That, I believe it's heating itself up. As far as I know, that's what it's doing. It'll heat itself up for a few moments to make sure that it's ready to go whenever I want a coffee. And then, yeah, then that's it. That's how to use your Keurig K Compact. Now that the sound has stopped, the machine is heated and ready to go. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.